You spend 6 hours building a custom Firebase backend for a client, the AI assistant gives you code that looks perfect, you deploy it, everything breaks, the client emails asking why nothing works, you debug for 3 more hours only to discover the AI used deprecated Firebase methods that stopped working 2 months ago. Google just released something that fixes this nightmare permanently, and it changes everything about how you deliver technical work to clients. My name is Paul James, and I help freelancers and consultants turn free AI tools into leverage they can actually use to build real service businesses without paying thousands per month for expensive platforms. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I will not try and sell you Go High Level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here is the problem most people face when building technical solutions for clients. You use AI assistants to help you code faster. You ask Claude or ChatGPT to generate Firebase authentication. You ask for Google Cloud integrations. You request Android app components. The AI gives you code. The code looks professional. You deliver it to your client. Then it breaks because the AI was trained on documentation from 18 months ago and Google changed how their services work. You did not know that. The AI did not know that. Now you are scrambling to fix broken client work while your credibility tanks. This happens because AI models get trained once on a snapshot of information. Firebase released version 9 in August 2021. If your AI was trained before Firebase version 10 launched, it still thinks version 9 syntax is current. Google Cloud changed their authentication flow in March 2025. If your AI does not know that, it generates code using the old method. Your client project fails. You look unprofessional, you lose trust. Google released the Developer Knowledge API and MCP Server on February 5th, 2026. What makes this different is not just what it does. What makes this different is how it solves the broken foundation that has been costing you time and credibility with every technical project you deliver. I am calling this the always current delivery system, and here's what that means in plain English. Instead of AI tools guessing based on old training data, they now pull documentation directly from Google in real time. Every single time you ask for code involving Firebase, Android, or Google Cloud, the AI checks current documentation first before generating anything. Let me break down exactly how this works. The Developer Knowledge API is a service that Google maintains. It contains every piece of technical documentation for every Google developer product. Firebase, Android, Google Cloud, App Engine, all of it. Google updates this documentation constantly as they release new features and deprecate old ones. The API already indexes everything within 24 hours of any change. That means when Firebase releases an update on Monday, the documentation in the API reflects that update by Tuesday. Here is where things get wild. The MCP server connects this API directly into your development environment. You can plug it into Claude, you can connect it to ChatGPT, you can integrate it with Cursor or any other AI coding assistant you use. Once connected, every time you ask your AI assistant for Google-related code, it automatically queries the Developer Knowledge API first. It pulls the current documentation, then it generates code based on what actually works today, not what worked 18 months ago when the model was trained. The format matters too. Everything comes back as Markdown, which means your AI assistant can read it, understand it, and use it immediately without any translation layer. You are not dealing with complex API responses. You are getting clean, structured documentation that integrates seamlessly into your workflow. Most people never realize this part. The real power is not just that you get current documentation. The real power is what this does to your client delivery process. When you build a Firebase backend now, you know the authentication methods are current. When you integrate Google Cloud Storage, you know the API calls will not break next week. When you create Android components, you know they follow the latest best practices Google actually recommends today. Here is where this turns into actual value you can deliver to clients. Think about the typical technical project. A local business needs a mobile app with user authentication and cloud storage. You quote them $3,000. You use AI tools to help you build faster. Under the old system, you might generate code using outdated Firebase methods. You deploy. It works initially. 2 weeks later, something breaks because Google deprecated that authentication approach. Now you are doing unpaid maintenance work and explaining to the client why their app stopped functioning. With the Developer Knowledge API connected to your AI assistant, that entire failure mode disappears. You generate Firebase code. The AI pulls current documentation first. It uses the authentication methods Google recommends today. It implements cloud storage using the latest SDK. You deploy. It works. It keeps working because you built it using current standards from the beginning. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. The Developer Knowledge API also enables something called structured content access. Right now in preview, everything returns as markdown documentation, but Google is building toward returning actual code sample objects and API reference entities as structured data. That means instead of your AI reading documentation and inferring how to implement something, it will have access to verified code examples directly from Google showing exactly how to use each feature. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started. You see technical capabilities and wonder how they translate to money. Here is how this creates actual business opportunities. You can now offer Google ecosystem integration services with confidence. A client needs Firebase authentication. You deliver it knowing the implementation is current. A client wants Google Cloud Functions. You build it using methods that will not deprecate next month. A client needs Android app development. You generate components following Google's latest architectural guidelines. The reliability factor changes your positioning. Before, you might hesitate to offer complex Google integrations because you were not sure if AI-generated code would work long-term. Now you can confidently pitch these services because your delivery system stays current automatically. That confidence translates into higher project values and better client retention. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Let me give you a concrete example of how this plays out. Say you connect with a fitness studio owner who wants a mobile app for class bookings. They need user accounts, payment processing, and real-time schedule updates. You quote them $4,000 for the complete build. You use Claude connected to the Developer Knowledge API. You prompt Claude to build Firebase authentication. Claude queries the API. It pulls current Firebase auth documentation. It generates code using the latest modular SDK approach Google recommends. You implement it. You move to payment processing. You prompt for Google Cloud Functions to handle Stripe webhooks. Claude queries the API again. It gets current Cloud Functions Gen 2 documentation, it generates the webhook handler using the latest runtime, you deploy it, everything works because every component was built using documentation that reflects how these services actually operate today. That same client refers you to 2 other studio owners. You now have a proven system. You deliver each new project faster because your AI assistant consistently generates working code. By project 3, you are completing builds in half the time while maintaining quality. That is how you scale a technical service business. Here is the twist almost nobody talks about. The MCP Server integration means this capability works across your entire development workflow. You are not switching between tools. You are not manually checking documentation. Your AI assistant handles the documentation lookup automatically every single time you request Google-related code. The workflow becomes, describe what you need, AI queries current docs, AI generates current code, you review and deploy. Think about your next 30 days after integrating this into your process. You reach out to 10 local businesses that need technical solutions. You offer custom app development or cloud integrations. You book 4 discovery calls. During each call, you confidently discuss Firebase, Google Cloud, and Android capabilities because you know your delivery system produces current implementations. 3 of them sign contracts. You deliver all 3 projects successfully because nothing breaks due to outdated code. That is the transformation. Google's Developer Knowledge API and MCP Server are available now in public preview. You can integrate them today with AI assistants like Claude, ChatGPT, or Cursor. By the time most people figure out this capability exists, you could already have client projects completed using it. That is the advantage of moving fast on tools that solve real delivery problems. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I will not try and sell you Go High Level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.